Hello everyone, my name is Josephine from Trotec Laser. Welcome to another video in our SB series featuring our large format lasers. To celebrate the enormous win of the Toronto Raptors, we wanted to make an enormous sign in their honor. We laid out our design so it fits perfectly onto 4 pieces of TroGlass Black 1/8 inch with 3M adhesive on the back. We cut the letters out on the Trotec SP2000. We cut the remaining material as a stencil to help us install the sign later on. We placed the stencil onto the wall and leveled it. Once the stencil is straight, we peeled the 3M adhesive and placed the letters into the stencil. We proceeded to do the same for the remaining letters of the We the North sign. Our large format SB series lasers are great for jobs like this because they allow for a scale much larger than our Speedy series. Where a laser is unique from a CNC machine is in its one-step process of acrylic cutting. There is no flame polish or cleaning required. As you can see, we've gone from raw material to a finished sign in one step. Thank you so much for watching our SB series. Remember to like and subscribe and see you next time.